welcome to our channel. And today in this video, I'll be sharing the fun activities and games that we played to learn the continent names. So this will be our continent part 1 video, and there will be one more video on part 2. So I have made some cute set of printables for Arrow, and if anyone needs the same, please watch the video and let me know in the comment box below. I'll be happy to share the same with you all. So come, let's get started. So first we started with the continent puzzle. So on doing it, we just talked about the names of the continent and the position of it.
There are seven continents. Europe, Asia, Africa, North and South America, Australia, Antarctica.
It's again a fun activity to get the hang on the names. So what exactly we need to do is, I'll be removing 2 or 1 continent from the set and he needs to figure out which is missing.
Close your eyes. Yeah.
Europe.
Good job. Now I'm going to remove 2 continents.
Okay.
Are you ready, Arav? Yeah.
Asia,
Okay.
Australia.
Awesome.
In this activity, he just needs to shape the continents using Play-Doh. Actually, I printed the world map, laminated it, and then separated the continents. And he just needs to place the Play-Doh over it and shape it. It's just a fun activity to revise the shape and the name of the continents.
Tell me, what continents are they?
North America. Africa.
It's a fun jumping gross motor activity. The big coasters are considered as water and the small coasters with a cart is the land. So he needs to jump to the land and collect the continents. So this is a fun way to again revise on the continent names.
No more continents. I went to Asia.
Here we are just trying to find the continents in the globe.
This is Africa.
Okay.
This is Asia. This is Europe. This is Australia. And here Antarctic. And it is North America. It is South America. And turn by Africa, Asia, Europe.
So here we are making our own DIY globe using a balloon. So we just pumped the balloon and I gave him the continents. He just needs to glue it and stick it in the proper position.
Now I have to search for Africa. This side is the triangle, so I'm going to take it like this. It should not be upside down.
Okay.
It's the continent and country for itself, and it's the largest island.
I hope you all liked this video. As I said, I'll be back again with continent part 2 in my next video. So if you haven't subscribed it, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel for future updates. And if you need printable for these activities, please let me know in the comment box below and I'll share the file to you. Thank you and have a great day.